The iPhone 17 series is anticipated to make its debut in September, continuing Apple's yearly tradition. If they adhere to this schedule, we'll be unboxing the latest model in just a few months. Let's discuss what we can expect. First off, there are rumors of a fourth variant joining the typical trio, the iPhone 17 Air. This model is reportedly only 5.6 millimeters thick while hosting a 6.6-inch display, all without feeling like an oversized paperweight. Internally, Apple is maintaining its successful chip strategy. The standard iPhone 17 and the Air will feature the new A19 processor, while the Pro and Pro Max will upgrade to the A19 Pro, utilizing a 3-nanometer process. This means quicker app launches, smoother gaming experiences, and significantly improved battery life, so you won't find yourself fighting for a charger during the day. Here's an intriguing update. Every model, including the Air, is said to have a 120 Hz ProMotion display. No longer will only the Pro models boast this feature. Now everyone can enjoy seamless scrolling and enhanced touch responsiveness. Some leaks even suggest that always-on screens might make an appearance in the non-Pro models, allowing quick glances at notifications or the time without needing to activate the phone fully. On the camera front, Apple seems to be revamping its signature square bump. The Air will feature a single, robust 48-megapixel lens, while the Pro Max might replace its current 12-megapixel telephoto lens with a 48-megapixel alternative. This is significant for zoom photography. Across all models, a new 24-megapixel front camera is set to improve low-light selfies and FaceTime calls, ensuring your group chats remain clear after dark. Connectivity is getting an upgrade as well. Insiders indicate that every iPhone 17 will support Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.3, which means steadier video calls in crowded cafes and faster file transfers to your laptop. If you opt for the Air, you might be among the first to try Apple's new 5G modem, targeting download speeds of up to 4 gigabits per second. Goodbye to slow connections. Repairability is also being improved. Apple's revamped adhesive methods should make battery and screen replacements easier and less expensive, as repair shops won't have to wrestle with stubborn glue. The final exciting detail, the SIM tray might disappear in more regions this year, following the eSIM-only strategy the US adopted with the iPhone 14. September 2025 is shaping up to be a thrilling month for iPhone fans. Whether you're drawn to the paper-thin elegance of the 17 Air or the camera-heavy prowess of the Pro Max, Apple's lineup promises something special for everyone. Which model fits your style, sleek and minimalist, or feature-packed and powerful? Let me know in the comments below, tap that like button if you're ready for Apple's big reveal, and subscribe. Because this September will be side by side as these phones hit our hands, and we find out which one truly earns its spot in your pocket.